Hello, Mario's Pizzeria. How can I help you?
Hi. I would like to order a pizza for delivery, please.
Great. What kind of pizza would you like?
Do you have a menu I can check online?
Yes, you can see it on our website.
Perfect. I am looking at it now.
Take your time. What looks good to you?
I think I want a large pepperoni pizza.
A large pepperoni. Thin crust or regular?
Regular crust, please.
Excellent choice. Any extra toppings?
Yes, can I add extra cheese and mushrooms?
Extra cheese and mushrooms. Got it.
Do you have any side dishes?
We have garlic bread, chicken wings, and salads.
I will take an order of garlic bread too.
1 garlic bread. Would you like any drinks?
Do you have orange juice?
I am sorry, we only have sodas and water.
Then just a large bottle of sparkling water, please.
1 large sparkling water. Anything else?
No, that will be all for today.
All right. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card to the delivery driver?
Yes, our drivers carry card readers.
Perfect. What is the estimated delivery time?
It should take about 45 minutes.
45 minutes is fine.
I need your delivery address, please.
It is 22 Maple Street, apartment 4.
22 Maple Street, apartment 4.
Yes, that is right.
Could I also get your phone number?
It is 555-0123.
555-0123. Correct?
Yes, exactly.
Thank you. Your total is $26.
Sounds great. I will be waiting.
Thank you for choosing us. Have a good evening.
Thank you. Goodbye.